Hey guys, this is Vess and welcome back to another speed art. And this time I am drawing Avocado Bae. So, my post has been asking me to draw a Fruit-sona, and I was kind of excited about it because I was like, yeah, I want to try it. That'd be awesome. I want to see what I can create. So, being that I am keto, the only fruit that I know how to do, or the fruit that I know how to eat right now, or eat all the time, is the avocado. And the avocado is very scrumptious if you know how to prepare it. So, yeah, guys, the only fruit that doesn't taste sweet, like, it's just awesome. I don't even know how to describe the taste of this beautiful, wonderful thing. But it has all the healthy fats. So that's another good thing about this. What I wanted to do was just create a girl and make her look like an avocado. So I did a couple of things different. I gave her different eyebrows. I gave her like little ball eyebrows because I thought that was cute. And for her hairstyle, I was looking up Mexican references because most of the time avocados from the United States come from Mexico. So I was like, ooh, it would be nice if she has, like, those traditional Mexican hairstyles where they wear with those nice dresses. And then just to play up her outfit a little bit more, I went with like that Cinco de Mayo skeleton type of dress. And that's because I wanted it to be, more revealing, more cute, just not make it fully traditional on Mexican culture. So that was my thoughts on this whole thing. I don't have a name for her, so if you guys want to name her, you could put it down below in the comments. Give her a cool name, guys. I think she was I think she came out pretty awesome. It was kind of tricky because the avocado has a brown seed and it's yellowish green. It's like yellowish transitioning to green, and it's this nice green color, and that's it. And it has like this little leaf. So I was like, okay, what am I supposed to do with this? So it was, it was interesting, especially with the concept that I had in my head. I was like, how would I make this work? I didn't want her to look like any other type of fruit. So, or, well, is any, yeah, some apples are green. But beside that, I didn't want her to look at like any type of vegetable or fruit. I wanted her to look like avocado. So, for flowers and stuff to play around, there is an avocado flower. I've seen bees, like I was looking it up and I've seen bees pollinate them. So it's possible to pollinate avocado flower because they have flowers. But I didn't want to go with that flower because nobody will identify it. So what I decided to do was go with the avocado. Like, you know how people want to do fancy stuff with the avocado? They make roses out of avocado and they usually put on their toast. So I went with that type of fanciness for her dress. And at first her dress was going to be layered, but it wasn't working out for me. So I thought of a hard shell coming around, or like a semi-hard shell with those avocado flowers as the under part of her dress. And that's what I did because I thought that it was more cuter. I thought it will just bring her out a little bit more and remove a lot of the Cinco de Mayo outfit, the tendencies of that. So that's what I did. I went with green for the hair, and the reason why I went for green for the hair was because of the outer shell. I went with brown with the eyes because the eyes are the soul. The windows to our soul. So definitely something that I thought that it will work for her. So I just made her eyes brown, and I made her whole outfit that dark green like her hair. The only thing that I might have changed was the fact of her her stockings. I changed her stockings and her shoes to, just match it up a little bit more better, I guess. Just do a better job because, I wanted it to look right and look even. the reason why I gave those lime green colors to, again, her skin is a little bit yellowish green, so adding those hints of, you know, those lime greenish colors really brought it out more. And I wanted to go with green lipstick, but I didn't like it, so I went with her skin tone and just played with those colors and then I multiply, you know, just to make her lips more defined, more cute. And I also gave her freckles because I thought not every avocados seem to their life drains out of them within seconds and they turn brown. So I was like, yeah, she needs freckles because not every avocado is beautifully opened as you see on the pictures. They usually have little dark spots, and that's because they're dying, you know. So you got to eat the avocado fast. Um, that's a good thing that you can eat one avocado by yourself. I found huge ones from California or Florida, one of those, and they are delicious and the most beautiful thing in the world. I wish all avocado were that big. Like they're huge. They're as big as a baby's head almost. Like that's how I see it. Um Not a baby as in like, you know, a couple of months. I mean like newborn baby head, you know, like that big thickness. Very delicious avocado. So yeah, the reason why I went with her frontal, not her frontal, but the front part of her dress brown is because of the core, and I thought, you know, okay, brown is in her eyes, but I wanted to, you know, give hints of brown everywhere. So it didn't work around her body, but it worked in the middle, so I put it in the middle just to make it pop. I don't know why the seed is very reddish brown, but I'm cool with it because I like it, and I thought that it was really cool. So definitely something that you know, to think about. I did have a hard time with the braid. I don't even know why I had a hard time. I guess I wasn't like, it wasn't like, I don't know. I have no idea why I had such a hard time with the braid, but I did work what I can work into it, and I made her hair curly in the back, and I thought that would be cute. You know, just give her something different, make her look cool. Honestly speaking, I might use this design again for like Celestial Pulse or anything like that because she looks really cool. So I definitely will use her again. I don't think she'll be avocado, but she'll be she won't be avocado. She'll be something else. But we shall see later, right? Like what happens or if she makes an appearance. But most of the characters that I do design, I like to redraw them into my book because you know, you have to, those filler people that walk by, you need to see them sometimes because they're not black shadows, you know. They're like regular anime shows. So yeah, definitely. I did do a two-tone type of shading. I did like a light shading. I went over it with a darker airbrush just to, you know, enhance those colors. And then I did go over with darkness around, you know, certain colors. Like the lighter colors, I did go darker with those because they needed it. But I did the best that I could with, you know, trying to make her look as elegant, you know. I do love highlights, guys. I'm not gonna sit here and lie. I'm a highlight type of girl. So yeah, I give her highlights pretty much everywhere just to make her look more three-dimensional. Not three-dimensional, but more two-dimensional, and make her look really cool, like if she's popping out the page, you know. I just wanted to give her every little tad bit that I learned in my journey of being an artist. I know a lot of people have noticed that I've because one of the posters was like, Vest, your Black Panther, I noticed a lot of what is that called? It's you know, when you get more refined in your skill, basically that I got more improvements. So I was like, oh, that's freaking awesome that you noticed that, you know. I noticed it too, but I didn't want to say anything. I wanted to see if anybody else did, you know, because you can't toot your own horn all the time. Or anytime, I guess. I don't know. I make stuff up as I go. Oh, guys, I give her avocado socks. Yes, and I made avocado backgrounds. So I might use this for my Redbubble store. So if you guys are like, you know, going keto with me and stuff like that, you can use some of my avocados. You can on your pants, on your shirt, on your phone. So I'm going to be putting it up on my Redbubble store. I also have other merch on my Redbubble store. So if you guys want to help support me, that'd be very appreciated. You know, it's not a must, but it's appreciated. So yeah, guys, this is basically everything that I did. Oh, I did want to give her Avocado Bae just to be funny and stuff like that, like a pinup. After I was done with that, this is how it came out, and it is gorgeous, guys. I love the way it came out. I love it because it's an avocado, so I might eat. This is me. This is me, guys. So yeah, guys, if you like this video, hit that like, and if you're here, you're new, you like, hey Vess, I like what you do, go ahead and click that subscribe and become a pulse. Become one of our family members. Enjoy us. I continuously do our content like this and more. So yeah, be sure to stay tuned and hit that bell and whatever you have to do. Again, guys, I stream every Fridays at 7 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Be sure to be there to have fun with us, yo. We out there. We make jokes. We draw. We do what we gotta do. Sometimes I put up the Discord. You know, I be having fun, man. Come down. Enjoy us. So yeah, guys. Again, thank you for watching, sharing, telling a friend, and helping a friend. Have an amazing rest of the day. Bye-bye.